Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy, the Nature Boy here, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about a particular bait that I like to use, that I like to throw. It looks good in the water. It matches the hatch, and it's an all-around great bait. And I was going around looking for some baits to use at Bass Pro Shops, and I want something realistic that fits in, it blends in with the environment. And so, Strike King perfect plastic, the clear bait. You know, it was an option for me because I knew that I knew what I wanted when I was coming to shop and what type of bait that I wanted to use. So, and also the way I like to use it, I put it on a drill in 2-3 aught hook, weighted. I drill that bad boy in, I use it. It's a great bait, and I love the flappy tail. Pretty cool bait. I love the flappy tail, gives that bait some action, and it's so clear. If you look at that, see through it, mimics, you know, shad, you know, little small bait fish, and I like that. And also another lure I like to use with Strike King. It's a favorite of mine. You know, it's one of those baits I like to use, and it's a really cool bait. A Colorado Blade. It's a cool, versatile bait. I mean, you can throw it like they say in cover, rough area, bounce off a lot of things. You can use it in dark water, clear water, and it's just something I really like to use. And of course, I was strolling down the aisle and I was trying to figure out, you know, what I wanted to use, how I wanted to use it, and I wrote up on Strike King. What's up, guys? We are back at, almost fell. Watch my balance. We are back at the underpass, and we are about to get it popping. Video number 2 for today. And this is a gravy spot, man. I should fish. Let me not mess up my camera too bad. I should fish along, way over that edge of the other rocks, but we're here on these rocks, and it is swag. It's total swag, and that edge drops all the way to the bottom, man. It's perfect for fishing. This corner is like the corner pocket right here, so we're gonna hit that first. Make sure I set back up my camera. Don't get no weird angles, you know. You know, weird angles of ducks and pigeons and all kind of other things. Let me see where we at. Let me drop it. Drop it. Drop this side. Drop this side. Make sure we are aligned. All right. We're dodging over here. And we're gonna be throwing something. We're gonna be throwing the lizard, the green lizard, Zoom lizard pumpkin on a 2/0 hook weighted in the bag. I just kind of, it came by accident getting this hook because I bought it. I don't know how, but it's perfect for what I want to do right now. Do some lizard action. What I do is I basically throw it out, put it on top of the water, right along the edge. Because I know bass are here, and they are watching. What I do is keep it on top of the water. I reel it in at like a slow reel. Try to keep on top of the water as much as possible. I lean my rod back and I get ready for the strike. Now I'm going to drop my depth to the bottom. I fish this style of fishing a lot. I've caught a lot of big fish, 4-pounders, man, 3-pounders, 2-pounders. Now keeping that bait on top of the water, it looks like a lizard just moving around. Especially fish, if you're around fish who like to hit top water with more predator type fish, they're gonna go after that lizard all day, man. You can rack them up. I've seen them do it over the years. They'll see it moving on top of the water and they'll come up and just wham it like a shark, man. Just take it. It's crunch time. So what I'm gonna do is drop it down a lot lower. Basically to the bottom. Let that bait hit the bottom. What I'm doing is giving it 2 pops, let it sit, and I just pull them on. Give it 2 pops, let it sit. 2 pops, let it sit, pull. What I'm doing is giving it 2 pops and let it sit, and I'll just drag it. Let it sit, 2 pops. See, I do like a slow retrieve on that. Just try to keep that bait at the bottom. Give it 2 light pops in the first reel. Gotta pop it. Let it sink to the bottom. Give it a light pops. Let it sink to the bottom. We're gonna wrap that up. Switch bait. Hey, man. Huh? All right. Well, we're getting kicked off the state property. absolutely suck. I got patrolled and I'm out of here. State property. Why can't they let me fish, man? Gotta find a new spot. I came at the right time. Police are trolling and I come at the proper time. So, well, I guess I gotta find a spot to be continued somewhere else. What's up, Fisher Fishers? We're getting ready for round 2 of Friday. Couldn't fish that place. Of course, police busted me up at a nice, hot, juicy spot. I popped a 2.5 smallmouth. Spotted bass. And got to pop somewhere else. But check this out. Don't forget to sign up for Mystery Tackle Box. Go to mysterytacklebox.com and check out these baits, man. It's $30 worth values of baits. It comes from all lures and all kinds of stuff. It matches springtime. So if you're looking for some hot new springtime bass, some good fishing, to get it on the low, it's a $30 box value, but you can get it on a discount if you watch the Googan Squad and those guys that do these mystery box challenges. Check them out and get a discount on your first box. And plus they have discounts themselves. If you're a new subscriber, you sign up, get your first box, and get that box, man. Check it out. It's nice, it's hot, it's fresh, and so check that out. And so with all that said, we're about to get it popping. You know how I do it, so let's get it popping. Hey, what's up, guys? We're here at Ribbon Walk. It's a local place in the Charlotte area. It's a nice hot spot. It's a place where I learned how to reel in really big fish. I learned how to pull them out from under big log stumps. This is my training ground, you know. I've caught up to 6 pounds of fish, 6 pounds, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. I did it all here, and this is the place where mostly I fish with the lizard. Mostly I fish with the Zoom lizard here, orange lizard, the chartreuse tail, and I fish it from the top. And we're gonna, cause this water is so dingy and so mucky, we're gonna start off with the Colorado blade. It makes some noise and hit the bottom. And the area you're gonna hit is right over here. You're gonna be getting it saucy in this spot. So my first target, I'm gonna be hitting this area right here. Okay. I'm gonna hit it with the buzz bait. That's something new. Okay, second thought, I'm gonna stay on my routine, which is use the most unlikely to the most likely to catch fish with. So we're gonna start off with my favorite, the Colorado blade. Isn't she lovely? She dressed real nice for these bass. You gotta dress nice for the bass, so they're not gonna bite. If you don't dress nice, great quality lures, they're not gonna bite. So it's a KVD Colorado blade, a nice bright color with the KVD fish clear at the bottom. So we're going to get started and get out there with the Colorado blade. Now when I'm fishing, I try to do pie sections. I hit from the bank here and just pie it off. Work the bank really quickly. So let's get started. So what I'm doing is basically just reeling it in. Just reeling it in nice and slow while I stand at the bottom. Nice and slow. And these fish like to hit the bank. They like that. These fish are predator fish, man. Now we're gonna take our aim. We're gonna take our aim over to this side of the yard. I let it sink to the bottom. A little pop, reel that bad boy in. Slowing it down. All right, now we're gonna hit the middle. We're gonna move on to the next agenda. Hit this middle, smack dab in the middle. Deepest part of this little pond. Take it nice and slow off the bottom. Get some attention from those fish. Reel it. All right, this for the Colorado blade. We're gonna move right along to the good old buzz bait on a frog. And this type of area, man, the way these fish like to hit close to the bank, this would be very nice on a green frog. It's a black Strike King buzz bait on the, let me get in the goodie bag. And this is a Berkley power bait frog. And okay, it doesn't say the color, but it's a green frog. But that good old, if you don't know too much about buzz baits, man, it's just great for, it's meant to target big fish, so big fish here, they're like, okay, I can grab that, no problem. But it's meant to target big fish. You can put a fish on it, frog, you know, you want to match the hatch. If it's mucky water like this, you want to throw something black or something sparkly. But it's meant to target really big fish. So I know there are big monsters in here, so we're gonna go get them. Thrown, okay, I had thrown a buzz bait. Okay, but not this big. I'm not with a froggy trailer on it. So we're gonna see what this buzz bait offers out of here today, man. It'd be cool to get a nice pop on this buzz bait. Let's see what this buzz bait can do at my home place. Nice and slow reel, man. All right, we're gonna try close to the bank. Come on, buzz bait. See what we can get. right. I'm gonna keep throwing close to the bank. Let's see what we can get on the buzz bait. Let's see. It's a lot of action, a lot of noise in this dark poop water. My place is mucky, man. Come on, Buzzy. Frog buzz bait. Hit the middle. Let's see what we can get. Come on. Come on, monster. Come on, monster. It's a big monster in here, man. I caught him. I used to call him Samoa Joe. He's the big boy in here. It's probably another one. I haven't caught that fish yet. But the buzz bait. Frog wiggling in the back. We're gonna do this one more go with the buzz bait. Strike King. Started nice and slow. I'm just basically just reeling it in, man. Trying to keep it above the water. There it is. It's coming. Just above the water. See if we can get the big boy to take a hit. I feel like throwing across this little bank right here. One more again. Let me get over here. All right. Come on, buzzbait. Work that magic. Pull out the 10-pounder. All right, we're gonna move right along from the buzzbait, and we're gonna throw the jig. We have hit every, okay, we haven't thrown the one thing that has caught me a lot of fish out here, a whole lot of fish. And I'm talking about this green pumpkin zoom 2/0 hook weighted lizard. Lizard has done some serious damage. I actually caught a 6-pounder on a zoom trick lizard out here, man. Over near that stump right there. Hit the big boy, and he came running. This how I fish, I mean, on top of the water, slow reel. Now slow it down at the bank, because they will hit the bank hard. I mean, this close to the bank. These fish are predator fish, and they like to hit at the bank. And so we're gonna keep throwing along the bank as close as I can. Get to it. Here we go. This is danger zone right here, man. I'm telling you. These fish like to hit at the bank like this. They'll stand 2 feet of water just to hit a fish. And my line hopefully is not too badly tangled that I can't get it out. Doesn't look too bad. It looks manageable. So we get her out safe and sound. My line's getting tangled. I gotta throw this line out. All right, we're gonna throw again close to the bank and work it on in. Just nice reel, slow reel. Keep the rod up Slow, nice reel. All that action. They can't resist. My rod is tangled up again. I saw a fish jump right there. Let's see. All right, we're gonna keep hitting the lizard. We're gonna throw near this little stump right here. So we're gonna line up with the stump. We're gonna throw right there. See if anybody's home. Come on. Top water bite. I see something moving. Come on. All right. We can go out to the deep. Last cast, let that drop to the bottom. Checking my line. All right, we're gonna two pops and let it sit. We're gonna drag it. Let it sit. 1, 2, drag it. Let that sit. I'm just basically letting it touch the bottom. 1, 2, kind of get back to the bottom. Just dragging that bait. Just lightly pop it. Drag it. Cause I'm at the bank right now. Just trying to get a fish to hit this thing. I lightly pop at the bank. All right, gonna give it one more go. I see some fish moving. I see some wrinkles in the water. All right, let that bad boy just sit. Let it simmer sauce down to the very bottom. So I'm gonna give it a light pop just to get some attention. Just jerk it a little bit. And we're gonna swim this bad boy. Pop, pull it. I'm aware I'm at the bank, so I'm just popping it over some stuff. If it hits something, I'll let it sit for a little bit. But nobody home. All right, moving right along to the good old Kraken Crow. I'm gonna throw this line back out because I'm getting all jammed up. I'm gonna throw this corner. I'm all tangled up. My line, tangly dangly. All right, we are untangled. Alrighty. Crapo. Alright guys, there was a no-go for ribbon walk, but use lots of baits, buzz bait, tested it out, and just saw what we can do. And with all that saying, I will see you guys next time at Tactical Fishing. Your boy, The Nature